I'm standing on the banks of the Chattahoochee River, one of the most important rivers and natural resources in our state. Let's take a closer look at the river. The river begins as a tiny spring in extreme northeast Georgia in Union County. And from there, the river flows in a southwesterly direction toward Atlanta and then on to Columbus. At Columbus, the river flows south towards Florida. Once it reaches the Florida border, the name changes to Apalachicola, and the river continues and then empties into the Gulf of Mexico. For centuries, people have used the river as a source of food and power, and today the river is a source of recreational activities such as tubing, canoeing, and fishing for bass and trout. The name Chattahoochee comes to us from the Cherokee language, and it means painted rock. Today, the river supplies approximately 70% of the drinking water for metropolitan Atlanta. Because of the tremendous explosion in population in the Atlanta area over the past 30-40 years, this has had a tremendous impact on the river. And as a result, the states of Alabama, Florida, and Georgia are squabbling over the use of the river because what Atlanta does to the river, that impacts the quality downstream. Again, you are looking at the Chattahoochee River. It begins as a tiny spring in northeast Georgia, flows toward Atlanta, onto Columbus, and then empties into the Gulf of Mexico.